So what you can also do inside of Microsoft Copilot is generate Microsoft PowerPoint slides with it. But you need to follow certain steps in order to create slides. So I'm going to go around onto creative mode and I'm going to go around and say, make a VB code for Microsoft PowerPoint that I can run as a module to create slides for this content right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and say Visual Basic Code for Microsoft PowerPoint that I can run as a module. So don't miss this out. So once I go around and do that, I need to go around and tell it what I want to create the slide for. So I'm going to go around and say make 10 slides of why education is important right here, just like this. So once I go around and press enter, what happens is that it runs through that prompt right here, just like this, and then generates out a VB code for me right here. That is Visual Basic Code. So here it's a certainly below is a simple Visual Basic application code that I can run as a module right here. And you can see that it starts giving me this particular a code right here. You can see that this is what you have. So there's array of text right here, just like this, and these are the slide text, as you can see that it actually is creating. So we need to go around and wait for a while right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So you can see that this is what you have. It got the VB code. You do need to wait for a while on this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So there's cleanup and everything that is added in, and it is even giving you the steps on how you can run this VB code right here. So you cannot directly generate out like PowerPoint slides, but you can generate out slides by using the VB codes like this. So you can simply go around and copy it around and then go back to PowerPoint right here and then go to developer. If you don't have the developer option turned on, then you can go around over here on to customize the ribbon right here and then enable developer from here and press OK. So once you do that, you get the Visual Basic editor right here, and once you go around onto insert, then to module and paste the code right here, and then simply run out the code over here. So once you do that, what happens is that the codes run out and you get the slide right here. So you can see that this is the a slide generated by Microsoft Copilot. So you can see that it says education empowers, it says improve literacy, foster equality, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. And immediately you got slides, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and generate out slides, that is PowerPoint slides, from Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.